hello again, and we're here in the Black Forest still, flying a little bit, enjoying the awesome weather and summer. It's really beautiful here. If you look at the landscape, it's really scenic, and trying the 2S toothpick build. No, there's a wasp on my finger. I'm trying the 2S toothpick build and flying two different packs just to see, comparing 450 HV versus 450 normal batteries. I just want to see if the lighter HV has got the same flight time and how it handles. It should be actually better for punch outs, as it has more higher C rating, but you never know. That's why I'm testing this, and I'm of course just enjoying this awesome, lovely scene while on vacation. So have fun, and please join in, like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thank you very much. Bye bye. So basically, after flying these 2 packs, by the way, my wife just told me I just breathe and experience the air, and it's actually true. The air is very good here. Basically, also, I guess it's also the the forest, a lot of trees compared to other regions where there are not that many trees. It just feels good here in the Black Forest in Germany. And basically, the 2 packs that I flew, the Tattu 450, they basically show much faster the low voltage. I think I flew the 450's HV from GNB a little bit longer, maybe too long, but I'll check afterwards and I'll present you with a screen that shows the amount that is still in the battery. And but to be honest, the HVs are easier to fly. They have more punch. They're 2 grams lighter. So for me, for this size, I think I would go with HV because it's just more fun. You can fly a little bit longer, and they're also these are cheaper, and they're also they pack more punch. So hopefully you enjoyed the flight. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.